All right, y'all. This is Dr. Cracks. I'm here with Angela. She's an Instagram model. She came in today. It looks like you have been to chiropractic before. Correct?
I have, yes.
Okay, and what brings you in today?
I actually slept wrong and my upper body's really stiff, especially my neck.
Okay, and it hurts in what positions?
All positions, right, left, up, and down.
Right, left, up, and down. Which one hurts the most?
Right now I think my left side.
When you turn to the left?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I guess on the scale of you being scared to be cracked, looks like you're excited, so.
I am excited. I love that feeling.
Okay, yeah. I mean, some people are terrified, so, but that's good.
I'm not.
Okay, so let's do this. Let's have you lay face down with your head over there.
Yeah.
And let me examine your back a little bit further here, with a little more detail.
Head down.
Yes. Let's see here. Let's see how bad this is. It doesn't seem like it's that restricted, but breathe in and out for me. All the way out. Good. Wow. All right, Angela. Here we go. Let me see your hands, Angela. Hug yourself like this.
Okay.
Good. Well towards me. Let's see what we got right here. Yeah. All right, breathe in and out for me. All the way out.
Whoa.
That was a nice one. Let's get this one too. Let's see if I can get a little.
It was more of a intense feeling.
Intense feeling? Oh, here goes your neck. So turn your head this way and turn your head this way. Which way hurts more when you turn to the left, right? Okay. And does it feel more restricted too, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're stuck.
Ugh.
Right there, right? It's a bad
Yeah.
spot. All right, just relax normally. Or breathe normally. Good. Did you feel that? Your reactions are just very simple reactions. That's funny. Okay. Here we go. Relax. Good.
Ooh.
Wow. That was crazy.
Yeah. It felt like I broke my neck.
Is that what it felt like? Oh, man. Okay, so let's do this. Turn your head to the right, left again. Tell me where you feel something.
It's pulling.
Pulling? Okay. Down over here, right?
Yeah.
So this right here is going to be a little bit of stretch on this area. Let me see here. Okay, so turn your head that way. Good. And then come back to center. And then turn your head this way. Okay, good. Okay, come back to center. Slide towards me a little bit. There we go. That's good. Go like this. Put my hand here. Right there. It's right in there. Did you feel that move in there? I felt a little bit cracking in there.
I've never been cracked like that.
You never had?
Mm-mm.
First time, huh? Let me see this side too.
So what? It was like misplaced?
It's a rib that kind of gets out sometimes. It pulls on it. Let me try this side too. Look at this one too. There we go. Breathing it out. Yep, just that little. So bring your head down and then turn to the left and then pull your chin down, yeah, as far as you can. Set that forward. Okay, now come back up the center. And then now put your chin straight down and then look to your right. And then pull your chin down more. There we go, hold that, yeah. Now do that motion that you said you felt it pull. Where do you pull for right now? Right that area.
Right here.
Right right here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, show them and do the motion where you feel pulling. And hold it there for a second. Just hold it, hold it. Take it back to center. And come up there. So when I tell you to push this elbow back towards me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I push back. There we go.
Whoa. That was-
You had a shoulder crack.
Okay.
Is that cool?
Yeah, I've never had that either.
All right, here we go. Okay, push back.
Whoa!
Wow.
What the hell?
That one was super loud.
What the hell? That was so weird.
wild, right?
Yeah.
Okay.